Logera from Snart Academy. In this video, we're gonna start and finish one project, and in this project we are building a national scale deforestation and forest gain monitoring system for Tanzania. So we're gonna use Google Earth Engine, and then we use the dataset, which is Hansen Global Forest Change dataset. So the goal is to quantify how our forests have changed over time, identify where losses are happening, and highlighting prioritizing area for restorations and protection. So I'm just guiding you in summary way the step we're gonna see. Each step in this workflow has a scientific purpose. Work with me. We begin with the 2000s tree cover area to set a baseline, because every forest analysis needs a starting reference to compare change over time. So after that, we then extract the annual loss layer, because they allow us to see not only how much forest was lost, but when it happened, which is essential for understanding trends. Okay, of course it's essential for understanding trends, of course policy impacts and emerging threats. After that, we calculate the cumulative loss to give a long-term picture of a total forest decline, you see, which supports national reporting and high-level planning, of course. Next, we include the forest gain layer to capture areas where the growth or restoration is happening, ensuring our analysis reflect both negative and positive change. So final, we generate hotspot map to highlight where deforestation is concentrated, helping decision maker prioritize surveillance, enforcement, and restoration efforts. So my friend, this work is important, and some of you can ask, why is it important? This work is important because reliable satellite-based forest information supports better environmental planning, strengthens conservation decisions, and guides policymaker and community with evidence rather than just assumptions. By combining high resolutions global data with a tool like Google Earth Engine, QGIS, ArcGIS, we can produce a clear maps, trend analysis, and hotspot insights that help protect our natural resources and plan more sustainably for the future. Thanks.